Windows are good. Good for the daydreamer, the early riser, the stargazer. They give us new perspectives and let the world in around us. Sometimes they can let in too much, and sometimes our heating and cooling systems have to work overtime just to keep us comfortable. Until now. Meet 3M Thinsulate Climate Control Window Film. It's applied directly to your existing windows to add a nearly invisible layer of insulation between inside and outside. It helps put you in control of the temperature, regardless of weather, location in the building, or time of year. It's faster to install and less expensive than replacing windows, and is almost as effective as an extra pane of glass. Maintain comfort and protection in your home while paying up to 10% less on energy bills. Keep your tenants cozy and happy while reducing heat loss up to 38%, and enjoy the benefits of supporting a healthier, more sustainable workplace. 3M Thinsulate Climate Control Window Film enhances your windows with virtually no visual impact, so you can keep dreaming, seeing, and exploring comfortably. 3M Innovation, improving every life.